So guys, we are back from Synagogue. We couldn't record inside Synagogue because we had to switch off the phone and move our shoes, so I had to stop recording. Now we're heading to a restaurant called Brunton Boatyard to eat food. What's the time again? The time's 1 o'clock. This is the view, guys. Isn't it amazing? I love it. Guys, there are some. Whoa. That's a cool dog. Yeah. So it's a cool one, very fierce one. We have a dog. We have a dog called Adi. He's a Labrador, and he's about to turn 1 this December 5th. We're gonna give him some kind of fish cake. A cake made of a fish. Okay guys, we decided what we're gonna give Adi, and we're gonna give him a chicken steak and a small cake. Like a small cake. A mini cake. And a dress and a crown. My mom said first I need my dress and then I will. Too expensive. I don't have cash. So guys, great news! The restaurant is open. Brunton Boatyard, it's open and we're gonna get in right now. My mom's tying my mask because it's too loose for me. Yeah, you got it. What? Oh. So guys, I'm getting out of the car right now. Okay. Hey. This is the view. This is the entrance, I guess. So guys, we're inside the restaurant. We're gonna get a seat now. It's an amazing restaurant. Awesome. So guys, we're getting inside. Oh wow, look at what? So right now we're heading in. Awesome guys. Awesome. Hey guys, you should really come to this place. It's a place. Wow. Awesome. So guys, this is a luxury hotel. It's like awesome. You guys should really come here. Brunton Boatyard in Fort Kochi, right? for Kochi.
Sit there, check it out.
Hello everyone, we're reporting from Brunton Boatyard restaurant. This is my mom.
Hi.
So right now we're sitting at a table and I guess we're gonna order something. Wait.
I will order.
Uh,
Everyone will eat. Mama will order everything.
yeah.
So
So guys, my dad is coming back. Here he is. Awesome. Just too good. 1 minute.